The anti-immigrant marches that are taking place in South Africa nearly daily have left many African foreign nationals feeling extremely vulnerable and scared. Groups of people, many of them followers of an organization calling itself March and March, have been demonstrating under the slogan Abahambe, which means let them go in Zulu. The marchers say they are targeting undocumented migrants who they claim are committing crimes, stealing jobs from South Africans, and overburdening health and other public services. But both undocumented and documented migrants from other parts of Africa say they are being intimidated and threatened by anti-immigrant campaigners. Emmanuel Kachingwe is a Malawian national. He came to South Africa from Malawi in September 2022 looking for work so that he could support his two children back home. The 32-year-old settled in the Melville area of Durban in the KwaZulu-Natal province. He later got a job as a tailor. In May, as anti-immigrant protests escalated, marchers claimed June the 30th was the unofficial date for immigrants to leave South Africa. In early June, a group of locals paid Kachingwe a visit.
They're beating us there. Some of the people, they got a gun, said if you're not going back home before that, you are going to die, you see. Some come, the place that was saying, knocking the door, yeah, you must go back home.
Kachingwe is now among the estimated 10,000 Malawian nationals who are staying out in the open on the grounds of Durban's Sherwood Hall as tensions between South Africans and migrants rise. They've been streaming in here from all over KwaZulu-Natal. The few on-site mobile toilets quickly fill up, leaving them filthy, smelling and hazardous.
You can catch diseases because inside there is full, it's full. Serious. Things is hard. They must help us to go back home, serious. We are suffering here.
The vast majority of the 10,000 displaced Malawians here appear to be set on leaving South Africa.
The government must send the bus to take us to go home. That's all. We don't want the money, we don't know what, but we need the bus to take us to go home.
Meanwhile, the South African government is insisting that those who sought safety in places like Sherwood Hall should return to the communities they fled.
Right now we can't live in commit according to the way they are doing. Yeah, because it's insult everyone when he's talking that you people must go home. Everyone, even the children that you are passing with, she's busy telling you that no, you have to go back home.
The governments of Malawi, Ghana and Nigeria stepped in to evacuate their nationals as videos of anti-immigrant marches went viral.
Where I work, they came there and then they took us all out, whether you documented or not. They broke down everything in the salon. It's been a month and a week that I'm not working, that we are all not working. So it's not about illegal foreign nationals or refugees only. They said both legal and illegal.
This is not the Pan-African that we dreamt of. This is not what our forebears wish that we should have. And I think that it's a dent on our image as Africa, but we can quickly rectify that and work together as a community of nations.
South African President Cyril Ramaphosa has vowed to punish those targeting immigrants in South Africa.
We must never give in to violence, to xenophobia, and to vigilantism.
Kachingwe had just one thing to say to South Africans before he disappeared into the crowd, waiting for the buses to take them home back to Malawi.
Only God knows, because there's nothing I say, because I got tears in my eyes. Yeah, only God knows. Serious, only God knows.